Hello everyone, welcome to Research and Analysis. My name is Dr. Kamran. Just imagine a scenario that you have received an auto-generated email on your Gmail account and you want to forward that email to one of your friend but with a different subject line. So this is just an example that I'm going to share with you that I am having the conversation with Mr. Ali regarding the submission of our paper to this journal, Social Sciences, Communication and Research. But now I want to forward this conversation to one of my colleague, Dr. Sana. So I will simply click this forward line. Here I need to write the email address. Here I have written the email, but rather than using the same subject, I just want to change the subject line. But here on my right side, you can see there is no option of changing the subject. But on the left side you will see this small triangle, and here you will see the option of edit subject. Let's just click it. After selecting this subject line, I will simply click this backspace, and here I can use my own subject line. So simply I will click send. Just for confirmation, let's just open this sent item, and here you can see we have this whole conversations but with the new subject line. This is how you can change the subject line while forwarding or even replying to an email. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.